In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the QuickBooks Online default email message text. Whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or simply looking to enhance your business communication, customizing your email messages is a valuable tool. It helps ensure that the emails accompanying your sales forms effectively represent your brand and convey the right message to your clients. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the gear icon, which can be found at the top right of your QuickBooks Online interface. This icon is your gateway to customizing various settings within your account, so it's important to know its location. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This section acts as the control center for your business's settings. Once you're in the Account and Settings window, turn your attention to the left-hand side where you'll notice a panel. Here, you should select the Sales tab. This tab is specifically designed to handle all settings related to sales forms and processes, making it the right place to edit your email messages. Click on it, and you're one step closer to achieving your goal. Now, within the Sales tab, look for the Messages section. By selecting Messages, you gain the ability to personalize the default email message that is sent out with your sales forms, such as invoices and estimates. It's a critical point of interaction with clients, so any customization here can have a significant impact. After clicking on Messages, you will be presented with several options. Select the transaction type you wish to customize. QuickBooks allows you to tailor emails for different forms, like invoices or sales receipts. After choosing the transaction type, you will see the option to edit both the email subject line and the body of the message. A well-thought-out subject line can grab attention, while a tailored message body can convey essential information and reflect the tone of your business. Keep your clients in mind when drafting these messages and aim for clarity and professionalism. Once you've entered your custom text, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure that all your edits are stored. This simple step is often overlooked, but it guarantees that your time and effort in customizing these messages will not be in vain. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily edit and personalize the default email message text in QuickBooks Online, making sure every interaction with your clients is on brand and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.